YouTube, my name is Kevin Starr and today I'm gonna bring you another unboxing of a guitar I just bought. I wanted this guitar for a long time because I really love the way it looks. It is the most over the top, the most luxurious and the most blinged out guitar ever is the Ibanez Universe, of course, is the UV777 that was introduced in 1997. It's one of the coolest 7-string out there. So yeah, let's see this bad boy that I just bought. It is, like you see, amazing. It is stunning. It is the first guitar in history that featured pearloid binding on the body and on the neck and on the headstock all over. This was the first guitar that started that trend, and then you saw Schecters with the Hellraiser and all that stuff putting mother of toilet seat all over their guitars, but this was the first one that started all of that. And I mean, this was an expensive guitar at the time that this was produced. It was produced between 97 and 2012. This is a 2005 model. So in my particular review, I'm gonna emphasize the similarities and the differences between this and other 7-string Universe guitars and other high-end 7 strings from Ibanez. So the 2005 neck that you see here is identical to a K7 neck. So if you like K7s, this is identical. There's no difference between them. So this neck that is identical to the K7 neck is a bit thicker and a bit wider than the one-piece original neck that was on the white and the green dot Universe and on the first run of these UV777P ones from 97 until about 2001. These also had a slightly more comfortable neck made from one piece of maple, but by no means this neck is just as great. You know, people say that the K7s are one of the best 7 strings out there because of the comfortable neck, and this is identical. I mean, yeah, you're talking a small difference between the one-piece neck and this one, but please, it's stupid to differentiate between them based on the neck. All Ibanez Prestige Japan necks are amazing. I had an Apex 100. You guys know it on my channel. That neck is even better than the original Universe neck, the one piece, because it is somehow more narrower and more wider even than this one, but I don't know what it is about it. But those Prestige post 2011 necks are amazing, very comfortable, easy to play. But yeah, take a look at this bad boy. It's blinged out. There's the pyramid, the light without heat pyramid from Abalone. I just love it. I love it, absolutely love it. That's the Edge Pro 7 bridge. It is just as amazing as the Low Pro Edge bridge. You know, these bridges are better than the original German Floyd Roses by far, and people usually tend to think that the best Ibanez bridge is the Low Pro 7, but this Edge Pro is just as good as that. I had an Apex 1 with this bridge, and like I said, that was an amazing guitar as well. It's just great. So I basically bought this one because of the looks. You really cannot find a better looking guitar than this. Look at the binding all around the headstock. That mother of pearl binding is just amazing. So the pickups are DiMarzio Blaze 2. People say that they're not powerful enough for metal. Bullshit. You won't get a guitar that sounds more brutal than this. I mean, the Blazes were used in studio by Morbid Angel, by Korn. There's no other band that sounds more brutal than Korn or Morbid Angel or Meshuggah for that matter. So please, if you want brutal, ditch the EMGs, ditch everything, and buy yourself some DiMarzio Blaze. Yeah, this guitar crushes everything. Everything sounds amazing, as you'll hear in the sound demo later on. And yeah, guys, this is just a fine guitar. If you manage to get one, even these mid 2000 ones, they are amazing. This is a rare condition one. As you can see, it's almost as new. It doesn't have a single scratch. It doesn't have anything on it. Some of them are rusty. Most of them that come up on the second-hand markets are rusty. They have dings, chips all over. This has nothing on it. Nothing. The prices on these universes have skyrocketed because you just don't find them anymore. They're rarely available out there on the second-hand market, and you usually find one upwards of $1,500. You know, I paid for mine like 2,000 euros or so, and it is immaculate. It is brand new almost, you know. So yeah, if you can find one, please. But the prices have gone up, and they will continue to go up because the original universes, the white and the green dot, they're at about $5,000 or so, and this will climb very quick to that level because these look better. I mean, look at the craftsmanship. These are way, way, way cooler guitars than the original ones, if you were to ask me. So yeah, take a look at this beauty, and I hope you will enjoy the sound demos that I did afterwards. Small clip playing clean and some dirty.